we're making vegetarian tacos. We want to make sure we're getting plenty of protein, so here I'm substituting out meat and adding in some beans. Hope you enjoy. Start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, heat on medium-high. Add 6 ounces or half the frozen bag of riced cauliflower. Drain the black beans. Add half the can to the skillet. Add half of a packet of taco seasoning. While that's cooking, heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil in another skillet to heat your tortillas. Go ahead and flip that when it's starting to brown. Add the cauliflower and black bean mixture to the tortilla shell. Top with avocado, lettuce, tomato, cheese, and sour cream.